Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your partner on the Pocket Love Good Life Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading, but the design is so cute. And you go to the doll icon at the lower left corner of the screen and click to the star icon. And if you change the heart icon, you can edit your partner's skin tone and hairstyle, or the clothes, and you can add accessories for her and face decor. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.